Hello and welcome to this short tutorial series on Catia v5. So if you're at university or college and you've been tasked with learning Catia, this will get you up and running in no time. So once you've opened your program, 9 times out of 10 you're going to be going to Start, Mechanical Design, and you're going to be designing a part. It will prompt you to ask you to give it a name, so this is going to be a test piece. Leave Enable Hybrid Design. You don't need it for the moment, but that's useful in the future. Right. Here is your main screen. Left hand side is your part tree. At the moment it's empty, it's just got the planes that are here and it's got part body, but nothing is there as contained at the moment until we make something. Right hand side, you've got all your shortcuts, and the bottom hand side. These are all completely configurable, you can change them how you want. Leave for the default at the moment and we'll go from there. So if we want to make ourselves a box, the first thing we need to do is start from a 2D shape. And we have to pick a plane we want to start drawing from. For this exercise, it doesn't really matter. So you can pick your first one there, and over to the right hand side, you can open up the sketch. This just gives our sketching tool, our sketching workbench. And as you want to make a rectangular shape, right hand side, select a rectangle. You've got two choices. You've got this one, which goes like that, or you can get one that you draw from the center. Either one doesn't really matter. So from the center one I'm going to pick in the middle, and we're going to make it a 50 by 50. So right hand side is the constraint tool, which will then give everything a dimension. Double click it, 50 for that one, click that one there, and 50. Okay. So we've got a basis for a rectangle, a cube shape that we want to make. So we made the sketch. After you've done the sketch and we want to make it 3D, we need to exit this workbench, which is top right hand corner, exit the workbench. So now you can see that square that we've made, that we drew, and then it's still selected at the moment. So imagine you click off, it's not selected. Top left hand corner, and there's our sketch. When you start making more complicated things, you're going to want to rename these parts because this tree can get very, very long. And if you want to edit something, you can go in and quickly make it. So if we want to make this 3D, click the sketch, right hand side, click the pad button, and then we want to make a cube. So it's 50 by 50 by 50. Length we want to do is 50. You can preview it, and then OK.